Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
I'm going to be introducing a brand new segment on my channel. What this segment will be is me learning Japanese. So the thing is, to be honest, I don't really want to learn Japanese, but I think learning Japanese will make my life here a lot easier. So I have decided to hire a tutor, and I've hired a tutor, and I am going to be recording the sessions. Okay, because I know that by doing this I am holding myself accountable, because I'll have to upload videos, so I'll have to take tutoring seriously. And also, people out there want to learn Japanese, they want to understand anime better, they might be learning Japanese in college. So by me recording my session, I think that this will actually help people who want to learn Japanese. So if you have any specific topics that you'd like to know in terms of like how to say good morning in Japanese, or like greetings, or a restaurant situation, anything like that, you can just leave your comments below and I'll arrange it with the tutor. Also, I'm thinking of maybe like doing the sessions, maybe like posting the sessions like on Monday, Tuesday, so it would be like Mondays and Tuesdays, or Mondays or Tuesdays, and the regular videos will be posted on Fridays. Okay, so let me know, do you think this is a good idea? Will you be watching the Japanese lessons? Let me know what you think about this new segment on the channel. Thank you guys for your continued support. Thank you guys for watching my videos always, and I think I'll be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I don't know what I'm gonna be giving away, so if you have any suggestions, you can let me know, because I was thinking of giving away like phone credit, but I have people who don't come from Jamaica who actually watches my videos, so they would not be able to enter if I'm giving away credit. So let me know what you guys think I should give away, okay, in the comment section below. And again, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you have an awesome day. Okay,
Bye.